Hey y'all, what's up? It's Samantha. Today I'm going to be talking to y'all about my new little spider plant. This is a variegated one because you see how like the leaves have the different colors on it, how it's more white on the outside and green on the inside. I actually got this little guy from a girl that I watch. She has a spider plant, and this is one of the little pups that grew off one of the sides. And when she gave it to me, it honestly, like, the leaves didn't even stick out of this plastic container. And she gave it to me a few weeks ago, maybe even a month ago now, I don't know. When she first gave it to me, a lot of the little leaves were like curling up and turning brown, and I was like, because when someone, like, this was obviously a gift, so I had an extra need to like want to keep it alive and see it do well, because I've been keeping it where I work so we can all watch it grow. The kids are really into that, so that's pretty cool. But today I brought it home because I want to repot it into like an actual pot. And also I'm curious to see what the roots are doing, because I've never had one before, but it's been growing pretty quick, and I just wanted to get it into a regular pot. Now, I've heard that these things like to be root bound, so I tried to get a pot as close to the size of what it's already in. And honestly might be a little bit big, but this is the smallest plastic pot I could find here at home. Now, I chose a plastic one because I did a little bit of research online, but they say that the roots can actually like get hard and crack open like a terracotta pot or something, so I didn't really want to do that. So that's why I'm opting for plastic. But yeah, today I'm just going to be repotting this and putting it in a new plant or pot, whatever. Sorry, I'm a little tired. I just got home from work. But yeah, let's jump into repotting this guy. Alright, so as you can see, I've already covered the table with last week's ad. I just like to obviously cover your workspace. Sometimes I find myself forgetting and I'm like, wait, hold on, I gotta cover the table. But I covered the table with last week's grocery ad. I already had this potting mix for my succulents, so that was great. It's a fast draining formula. They say you can use pretty much most potting mixes, but they want the fast draining soil, just so they don't get root rot and stuff. So that's what I'm gonna be using today. But first I'm gonna go ahead and take this out, and then I don't know what kind of soil is already in this, so that's another reason I wanted to repot it, just to make sure it's in some fast draining soil, just to give it the best chance of still surviving. So I'm going to get another bowl so I can put the old soil in it, whatever I take off. So I'm grabbing it. Alright, so let's see what's going on underneath. And I did water it yesterday, so the soil should be nice and loose enough to be able to get this out. I'm a little bit nervous. I'm not gonna. Wow. Okay. I don't know how well you can see it in this lighting, but this is crazy. Like, do you see these roots already growing underneath? I don't know if it's gonna show up or not. For some reason, this lighting's kind of garbage, but let's see if I can get a better. There you go. Do you see that? This is only like a few weeks old. These roots do grow like crazy. Wow. Okay, so I'm gonna try and break up this root ball a little bit just to get the extra soil off, but wow. Maybe it is good I'm putting it in a little bit bigger of a pot. These grow so fast. I can't believe this. Wow. See, plants are so fascinating. I don't know if y'all think so. I mean, if you're watching this video, it's either because you're already subscribed to me or because you like plants. So either way, this is fascinating to me. Also, obviously I'm a new I keep calling it that, spider plant owner. So if you have any tips on how to keep these alive and thriving, please let me know. I know they're a super common house plant, and they're supposed to be pretty easy to take care of, so I hope that's the case, and I hope I'm doing all right. Yeah, like I said, the leaves aren't dead anymore, and they're actually growing a little bigger. She said this is actually almost the size of the mother plant she got this from, so I guess it's doing okay. Oh wow, yeah. That's nice. Okay, so I'm gonna set this down and then put some, I probably should have done that backwards, but I'm gonna go ahead and put some soil into the new pot. And here in Western New York, it's plenty humid, so I think it'll be okay. Because I've heard they do like humidity as well. All right, I want to be able to leave some room to. All right, I'm gonna make some room so we can fit on down in there, and I'll put the soil around it a little better, but I want to give it some room to set the roots down in there. All right, let's see if that's enough room. I'm gonna grab it. I don't know, maybe it needs, man. All right, I'm gonna set the root ball down in there. And just kind of, looks a little crooked, but we'll see. Go ahead and tuck these in there. I feel like I didn't make it deep enough. Don't know. Let's see. See if I can get a little more room down there. All right, now it's going a little bit. All right, I'm gonna put some more soil on that, on that other side. Oh, text message. All right. So, I mean, it looks like it's probably gonna be about it. And I'm gonna give it another day or two before I water it, just because I don't want to make it more susceptible to root rot. And like I said, I watered it yesterday, so it should be fine for a couple days. But yeah. All right, I think we have it, folks. I think so. All right, folks, well, there you have it. Here is my spider plant's new little home. I actually really like that color, because it's almost the same color as like the outside of the leaves. I can't believe the amount of growth that this has already had. Now, I should have done research sooner, because they like bright light, but they don't like super direct light, which kind of worked out, because we have some chia plants in the window actually where I work too, where I've been keeping this. It's funny because we actually like the little chia seeds, like people make chia pets. So I was like, whatever, I had some laying around that I put in my smoothies, and I was like, well, maybe we could try growing some of those. I had them in like a regular can, like we would put green beans or something in. They started growing like crazy. So now it's this huge, massive plant. I kid you not. It's like probably 3 feet tall. We have it in a huge pot now in the window, but I've been keeping this guy kind of sitting next to it, so the leaves from that were actually shading this. These do like bright light, but too much direct light can actually burn these. So it was a saving grace that plant was over this. So I'll probably put it a little further away from the window now, just to make sure it's still getting good light, but not too much. Like I said, I'll wait a day or two to water it, just so it doesn't get root rot. And plus, with the humidity too, like it'll hold on to this moisture just fine. But yeah, I'm excited. I didn't put it in a hanging pot yet, because there's obviously no reason. There's no little baby ones growing off of it yet, so there's no need for that. But I'm curious to see how long it's going to take for this to really grow, because as some of y'all probably know, I'm more used to my succulents, and those grow so slow. So I think this will be really fun, and I think it's really cool to have a plant off of someone else's plant. That's really sweet, I think. So yeah, if it does stay healthy and grow, I'll give y'all an update on how this is doing. It might be in a bigger pot by then, who knows? But yeah, so thank you for watching. And like I said, if you have any tips on what fertilizers you use, how often you water it, maybe different watering techniques, go ahead and let me know because this is really exciting to me. Anyway, I have a show on Friday, so I need to go practice, but y'all have a good day. See y'all soon. Bye.